Welcome to Level 3 Clapback Videos. This example is review test number 1. This example is in C major. This example is in 3/4 time signature and is 3 measures of length. Please tap your foot along with me as I play. I will play the example 2 times and then you can clap it back.
1, 2, 3, here I go. Second time. 1, 2, 3, here I go.
Okay, go ahead and clap that back. For the answer, turn to page 47 of Level 3 RCM 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.